is Vodafone's strategy for transforming field services?
So we have over 10,000 technicians serving our customers out there and making a lot of kilometers to serve our customers. So we have a clear vision of improving their day-to-day job, making them more efficient, more effective, and therefore improving first-time resolution and faster resolution pace for our customers.
Vodafone's Technician Assist for Field Services leverages GenAI capabilities. What role does it play in the solution?
So GenAI plays a key role in the solution by combining its strengths with other AI capabilities to reduce field service revisits. So it processes unstructured data, such as tickets and other data sources, and also extracting and classifying meaningful information. This information is then used to train a recommendation model that suggests the best actions for the technicians to perform in order to solve the issues at the first attempt. It's also incorporating RAG, text-to-speech, speech-to-text, visual AI, also to evolve towards the vision for Vodafone and in the field service operations.
How does Celfocus see its AI strategy evolving to support autonomous field services?
So field service operations are typically expensive and very labor-intensive. And that's why adopting AI is so crucial right now to reduce downtime, to boost efficiency. So after implementing the new wave of AI with LLMs, with RAGs, the next logical step is Agentic AI to make autonomous networks, to adapt to new contexts, to proactively solve issues in very complex environments.
Could you name some use cases of Agentic AI for field services support?
For instance, it can be used to support on-site decision-making and streamline other processes, such as assistance, with technicians engaging in a conversational way with Agentic AI tools to support what they need to do, to perform. Also, workforce management and capacity planning with many challenges that we need also to address.
What are the main benefits so far, and what are your plans moving forward?
So far, we have seen improvement in the first-time resolution with the tests that we have developed of almost 30% of improvement in there. We are aiming to improve those figures as well going forward. And next plans are to improve also not only field technicians, but remote technicians in one hand, and second hand to deploy our solutions across all the markets in which we operate.
What do you believe is key for successful AI adoption?
So for successful AI adoption, the key is indeed people. It's crucial to assure that we have smooth transitions and that people are involved in the processes so that they feel comfortable with the AI-powered tools. And for that, it is also crucial to have specific approaches to promote this type of initiatives. So AI shall be embedded into the existing tools rather than introducing new ones. Also, we need to demonstrate quick wins with tangible and clear benefits, and also continuously to gather feedback from the technicians so that the solution, the algorithms can evolve based on real-world experiences. And I believe with these type of approaches, the transition will be smooth and also the AI adoption will be a reality.